Hey friends, Lucian here with the Bullish Bears team making the watch list for Tuesday, March 20th. Before I get started here, let's take a look at the futures. As you can see, not looking so hot right now. It's hitting the base of this triangle. So we got to see what happens. Finished with a red day here today. So it's not looking good. You can see that there was a head and shoulders pattern up here, another head and shoulders pattern here, followed by a cup and a handle that failed. And you can see kind of, if you zoom in here, tweezer tops, very bearish, and it's starting to fall here. So now it could, depending on what happens, move back up and maybe, who knows, create another right shoulder, maybe a third head and shoulders or failure. Gotta just watch these support and resistance areas. You can see some support down in these areas, kind of down in here too, and just could keep falling. So that's kind of it. It's not looking so hot. Let's take a look at Bitcoin, see what that's doing. Not so looking so hot either. Double top, failure, falling. It's got below these EMAs right now. So, there's definitely still some room to fall. Gotta see what happens. So let's get into the watch list for tomorrow. Let's see here. Sorry guys, I'm real tired today. I just woke up from a nap. I'm feeling a little groggy, so if I don't have a lot of energy, just forgive me because I'm tired. So, all right, March 20th. Let's see if I'm going to keep any of these on here for tomorrow. All right. The swing trade watch list, I end up emailing each night. So for those of you that are freebies, I do the email watch list with alerts. I send those out each night. So if you're not a member yet, we are only $10 a month to receive them, which is very inexpensive. All right, so I'm not going to keep going on. Let's see here. That one might stay on. We just, I don't know if I'm going to keep that one on still. I might take ZN off. TTOO. That one's potential. Still moving up. We'll see. CPST, no. Wow. No. Kind of tweezer bottoms there. So that could still potentially move up. Let's see. I'm going to cancel any outstanding alerts for today or for tomorrow. Wow. I don't think I like that one either. We're kind of like this. I just like to, wow, look at all those lines. It's hard until like a market chooses a direction. So if a market's going up or down, it's much easier to choose than when there's all this indecision. So it's easier to find plays, much easier when the market's going in a particular direction. So it's either got to choose one way or the other for it to make it a little bit easier to trade. This one is holding its highs on the day. So we're looking for stocks that either hold their highs or are holding their lows. You can see kind of this good trend lines right there. Let me just go to the hourly chart. Let me just remove that one. Let me do this one better. There we go. Man, it's right near there. Kind of breaking up above it. You can even move it out a little bit as well. So it might have a chance to go and still move up further. So let's take a look at Tattoo or TTOO. We'll put, let's see, at or above 69 or 691. Look for potential continuation and break out above $7 with resistance in 720s, right? Let's see if that's right. What is that right here? Yeah. Let me just do this. Yeah, so look for a potential break of 7 with the resistance in the 720s. Want to see it break above that for potential continuation. All right, so let's see if there's any other ones to put on here. That one just had one breakout today and didn't do much after that. Might have some continuation. Let me just see here. Did I have news after? Yeah, let's see here. Let's see where it finished off here today. No, I don't like it. No. Do I like that one? Might be flagging. Might be potentially bull flagging, potentially there. So that one, let me take a look here. $6.54. Let me go to the hourly here. XRM. This one potentially. Let me just look at the 5-minute. Might be flagging. It's kind of in this range here. Gotta see. So let's look at XRM. Let's say potential watch for potential continuation with resistance at higher day 6.88, 7, and around 750-ish. XRM. All right, BDR, no. Nope. Nope. Might be more of a bearish day tomorrow. Oh, that one just really tanked at the end of the day. Look at that one, huh? Give back everything. It finished at its highs for today, and then it just completely tanked. XNT, XTNT, no. CGIX. Nope. Not much here, that's for sure. That one's possible. Spread is terrible right now. Let's see where 495. Let's take a look at the other charts. That one might be moving. Draw kind of a trend line here. Oh, no, didn't want to do that. All right, let's do this. Creating higher lows. You can see some resistance right at that 495 area. So I would put it at or above 478. Watch for potential continuation with resistance at 4.95. All right. Perfect. So ADMA. All right. Let's see these other ones. Nope. 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 Not much for the bullish scan. Let's take a look for the bearish one. See if anything is on that one. Might be a little bit more. Nope. No. Just a lot of sloppiness here. Nope, don't like these. Don't like any of this so far. And it's probably because the market is in such indecision mode. Makes it very difficult to trade when it gets like this. That one might be one to take a look at. This one might be a 5-cent spread stock, so I don't trade those. Yeah, nope. Nope. Let's take a look at the hourly on this one. This one's got some room to fall if it fails. Could see some support right around this, just below $4. It's been holding it though. Buyer's been coming back in, so I don't know if I like that one at all. For GNC. Looks like a 5-cent spread stock, so no. Good old Mara, piece of garbage stock. That one does not look, looks like garbage. MGTI. Everything's looking bad. HDSN. Let's take a look at this one further. Hourly. It's really oversold. Could still move down, but it's just really oversold. Not going to put that one on. Goodness gracious, this one's still falling, huh? TNTR. I'm just not getting any good signs with anything right now to play anything. Really kind of ugly patterns. So when these ones, a lot of them are just kind of selling off and they're oversold. So it's kind of tough where you don't necessarily want to enter a short when you've had over 3 red days looking for a reversal. It could still fall, but it's just very difficult to trade these. FTR. Let's take a look at this one. Frontier. Definitely has some room to fall, that's for sure. Frontier. Okay, there's some support there on 666, huh? So Frontier might put as a short at or below $7. Potential short with support around 666. All right. Not a very lucky number. Let's get some water here quick. All right, so ADVM. Where's that? No. Where's that? 429. It's got a cup and handle with the handle look like it might be fading there. Kind of close to the moving average line, so not much room. Nah. Not liking much of any of this, that's for sure. TC, that one might be potential. Let's see here. So let me zoom in here. That one's got some room to fall. That is CLMT. So that could fall. You could see some horizontal support right around 650-ish. This might be a falling wedge pattern. It's kind of falling downwards. Let's see. It's a 5-cent spread. Can't do it. Sorry, I don't like those stocks. Shoot. I don't trade those ones. This might be bull flagging. 225. Let's see here. This might be bull flagging here a little bit. Let's see. Yeah, so I might put this one on. So we'll put it at or above 216. Oh, that was after hours. So at or above 216. Potential bull flag. Watch for continuation with resistance around 250-ish. All right. As you can see, there's not many plays, you know. If the scans don't show you anything to play, sometimes it's very hard to trade them. As you can see, the scans are not doing much right now. This one right here might be falling down into that gap below. So that's one to look at. Let me see here. That gap might, who knows? Man, that's got a long ways to fall, that's for sure. Lots of volatility. This gap down. You can see some resistance or some support kind of in the middle of that gap. So yeah, that one's potential for a short OTIC. So these 5-cent spreads. Darn it, not going to put that on. CYTR, no. Nope. Nah, it's kind of oversold. Is this a 5-cent spread stock? Let me see. Yep. MTUU. Nah, not much. A lot of garbage here on the watch list. So, yeah, I'm definitely not thrilled with this watch list. It looks really it's crappy. But, again, the reason for it, ES, go on to the /ES, /ES. There we go. I mean, it's hard to trade this. Look at the base of this triangle, right? Very bearish. After, almost a double top or a cup and handle, it's hitting all these like kind of support areas. And if this fails, it could easily fall. But it's right at the base, so the bulls kind of came back in and tried to push it up a little bit. So got to see what happens. It could be a very volatile week. It's stuck right in here. Hence volatility, and hence with the volatility, when it's not choosing a direction, it's super hard to find plays. So as you can see, these plays are not very good. Let me see, I had the Frontier for a bearish play. What was AMTX? Is that yeah, it's potentially bullish. So yeah, not much of anything. That's why, guys, if you're not a member yet of our community, come and join us, because on our website, you can see over here, I'm not logged in right now, but under my account, we share our trade ideas live screen share every single day. So, we do our watch list at night. You can see, on our website here, we post our trade alert recaps each week. Last week wasn't a great week for us, and we still had alerts fire off 86% of the time. So even on our down weeks where we're not choosing, when the market's not really us, it's just when the market's not providing anything, we're still trying to put out some kind of watch list for you guys. Even on like down weeks, we're still in the 80s for win percentage. So you can see, just look at some of these gains, not from Friday. Friday was a really crappy day, but swing trade watch list was a $5 gain, 50-cent gain, 70-cent gain, and then the daily watch list, a dollar move, not really, 10 and 15 cents. That's typical. That's a typical move. So that's what you'll find in our watch list. A really good one. A couple of typical 10, 15 cent moves. Actually, there's a 16-cent one, so that's a really good one as well for day trading. Swing trade one here again, $1.40 move, 50 cents. Nothing big there. A couple here, almost close to $1. And 10 cents daily watch list. Here, another swing trade one, $1.79 move, and then another kind of flat, right, for the week, highs and lows for the week. Daily watch list, this one moved $1.63, that one moved 62 cents, two really good ones, 34 cents, really good move. So you can see the range there, right? It's very, diverse range of profit. But you can see, like, even on the losses, loss, like, meaning the low of the week. So, we predicted it the wrong way, 2 cents, right? 6 cents, 7 cents, 5 cents. So the losses are very minimal, right? Not seeing many more over there. Friday was just a really crappy day. 4 cents, 23 cents. So, and kind of flat. So when we, put ones on our watch list that don't go our direction, they really don't lose much. So this is what you're missing. If you're not a member yet of our community, again, we're only $10 a month. If you look right over here, I'll come back to that in a moment. First of all, actually, if you're not a member of our community on Facebook, come and join us. Link is below. Also, you can like and follow our fan page for updates. And then when you're over on our website here, just draw your attention up here. We have a live day trading room and swing trading / options room. So go in there. You can talk to people about swing trades, options trades, or we have a day trading room. Again, if you want to learn about day trading, we have our alert services up here. So we do swing trade, day trade, options alerts. As you can see, we had an 86% win ratio last week. Our losses were very minimal. And there's some really good gains, and if you're wondering, well, how do I trade your alerts? What do I got to do? All that good stuff. First of all, read our alert section up here. Second of all, take our free courses. we have a few $1,000s worth of free courses here. So if you're new, we recommend number one, don't trade with real money whatsoever until you're really successful trading with a virtual account, right? Open up a paper trading account with Thinkorswim or Interactive Brokers and practice making virtual trades. So, a lot of people will say, well, hey, I'm very new to the industry. Should I join your membership? Or just study first and wait? First of all, I'm just like kind of say, well, of course you want to join our membership. We're $10, right? I mean, worst thing you lose is $10. But rather than just trying to be a salesperson and getting people to sign up, there is some tremendous value that when we send out our watch list with our trade alerts, you can take those trade alerts in the watch list and come into a trade room, practice live trading in a virtual account. So we're $10 a month. You get our watch list, our alerts. We send them out each night. You can go and again just practice in your virtual account for months. I mean, we're $10 a month. That's the most that you're going to lose each month with us is $10. So you can have your paper trading account up. Take 6 months. Take a year. I mean, if you paper traded for a year at our membership cost, it's literally the cost of an Amazon Prime membership to trade. Within a virtual account until you feel comfortable or you decide trading is not for you. Again, trading is not for a lot of people. The success ratio for traders is very low. It's over 90% failure rate. So, we're making it affordable for people to come in and just really practice and learn. Again, we're only $10 a month. We give you all of this content included. We give you a safe community to really learn. Make sure you also, too, read our recent blog posts. Subscribe to our blog post over here. You'll see at the top, I'll just go up over to the top of a blog post and I'll show you. Sorry, I lose my voice from talking so much. At the top of every blog post, you'll see here a little follow button. Just click on the follow button. You can put your email there and that just updates you anytime we do a blog post. So we're basically taking all of our Candlesticks videos lately that we're doing and we're putting them into blog post as well. So yeah, just that reminder, head over to our YouTube if you haven't already. Just subscribe, click the notification bell, and you're going to see all of these videos here that we're putting out. We're putting out lots of content. And if you look at the videos here, if you haven't taken our Candlesticks videos yet, look at the ones we've already placed and put out there. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't even know. I can keep counting. All these ones that you see, we've already put out. We're almost completed with just the first course alone, right? All these videos that you see right here for Candlesticks patterns are pretty much your basic patterns. So there's going to be probably, I don't know, 25 videos or so in the first course, right? We have a second course coming that's going to be an advanced candlestick patterns course. That'll probably have another 25. So you're going to have about 50 videos. If you're saying to yourself, that's a lot, that's kind of overwhelming, I don't have time to learn that. Well, if you don't know pretty much all of these patterns and how they work and how they make support and resistance levels, if you don't know them, and you're trading with real money, you're going to fail as a trader because trading is all about candlesticks and support and resistance. If you look at the charts over here, these moving average lines, they don't mean anything. RSI, MACD, they don't mean anything unless you know candlesticks and their patterns first. They're the most important line of defense when trading. So, we're going to be putting them into a course probably in the next week or two, and then we're going to add on a second course as well. So if you're like, where do I start? Just start here. Bullish, then bearish, then doji, then dragonfly, then gravestone, and just go in order. And you're just going to see we just keep adding on. We added falling wedge and head and shoulders one again here today, showing you the bigger patterns. And then we're going to go into the 2 and 3 candlestick patterns in the second course. So these are kind of like your bigger patterns right here, right? And then we're going to go into the 2 and 3 candlestick ones and put it into a second course. So this is trading, guys. Again, you just saw the watch list, kind of crappy for tomorrow. There's nothing you can do. If the plays aren't there, the plays aren't there. You can't force it. But again, in our everyday, under my account, we update the trade ideas link screen share. So the market's going to open tomorrow and it's either going to go up or down or go neutral, right? But there's always going to be plays to trade. So again, our watch lists do really well each week, 80s to 90% success ratio. Really great plays to make. But then there's also ones that just run like crazy that are on Trade Ideas. And they, Trade Ideas pops every day. This is one today that just hit Trade Ideas, NFEC. As you can see here, this one went from, I don't even know what this was. What is this here? $1 up to $3.65 today. There were some people in the trade room that made some really good money. So that went from $1 to, that's a $2.65 move. Look at this. All the way up like this, right? Let's see. There you go. There's moves like this pretty much every single day. There's something on Trade Ideas that moves $1 plus at least almost every single day. So we can only do what we can do on the watch list every night, but then you need a really good scanner. Again, we use Trade Ideas. We couldn't live without trading it. We share our screen share within the community where you can kind of test it out, see if you like it first. And then again, if people are like, well, should I buy Trade Ideas? Should I not? And we tell people if you can afford it, you're a good trader, like you have the budget for it, then it's absolutely worth getting your own copy. But if you're new and you're really tight on a budget and you're just learning, then wait, you just use our scan for now. But eventually you might want to tweak your scanner to your own, we try to tweak it to make it kind of like available for everybody, but it's kind of tougher, because we can't put all the screens out there, and tweak it for every trading style. So again, you want your own copy to kind of make it your own when you can afford it. So again, that's the watch list for tomorrow. Take our courses, watch our videos, lots of great content, and happy trading tomorrow. Enjoy.